Before understanding our audience, let's understand our niche, our main topic. Selecting your niche can be a very overwhelming task for you till now, but no more. Let's do it in very easy 5 steps, and don't forget to tell me in the comments what are you going to choose for yourself. Understand this one very simple thing. When it comes to creating a video, it's a very lifelong thing. So one thing I would love to say that it's a very beautiful journey to be on. It will give you creativity, freedom, love for life, and so much more. It will give you a lot of passion. Somewhere you should choose a topic you can talk about for hours and hours without stopping. You can learn on that topic. Even you would love to serve without earning as well for a time. Ultimately, something you feel the need for, something you would love to talk for us. So go ahead right now, take out pen and paper and write down 3 things you just love to do. You just spend most of your time with. It could be cooking, technology, education, social media, cars, dogs, fitness, makeup, etc. Instagram has a place for each and everything. Believe it. You might be thinking, how can I taste my interest? I love dancing. So should I start creating video on that? Now there are 3 things which you can do to confirm whether you are ready to take on that particular topic, take out your interest or not. Like, listen to this very carefully. First, ask yourself, are you ready to learn more about this topic in detail? If you are ready, it means you seriously have a huge interest in that niche and you can do anything to help more people. Second thing you can do is, the topic you have chosen is definitely the need of someone, the solution of someone. To whom would you like to help? Because being a creator is all about helping others through your content. Do you see the need of your niche in the market, or else can you create the need of your niche? Now here it comes the second part. What you need to do is figure out the need of your interest in the market. Let's see how you can do this. Search for top 5 bloggers and influencers in that particular niche you are trying to figure out, and see what they are doing, how they are building an impact, what products and services they are providing. Then fill in the gap. Do not copy others, just inspire from them and see the scope and create it in your unique version. Because there is nobody else like you in the whole world, and develop the skills which you need to be an extraordinary. Or else I have one more solution for you: to analyze all the problems you have solved in the past. It could be marketing, sales, camera, social media, makeup, etc. and see what you can do better in any of your niche. Be the solution of someone's problem as a creator and solve their problems through your content. Listen, once you figure out your niche, you need to understand to whom. To whom do you want to make people see? For whom you are creating for? What is the audience's problem you are trying to solve through your videos or through your content? That's how you can define your ideal audience, by understanding who they are and what makes them need. It is the kind of avatar you need to create to be a lifelong creator on Instagram. Let's learn more about it in the lesson number 4. See you there.